Hello, my name is Tammy from Lavish for Less. Today I'll be making lavender scented bath salts. My area and dishware is clean and sanitized, the ingredients are pre-weighed and everything is set up. I'll begin with 250 grams of Epsom salt. So soothing and relaxing. This bowl has 150 grams Himalayan pink sea salt. It helps soften the water, creating a luxurious and soothing bath. And this one has 80 grams of coarse sea salt. This gentle exfoliant is the perfect way to pamper yourself. In my little pitcher, I have 5 grams of coconut oil, a nice carrier oil, 5 grams of polysorbate 80 to prevent oils from pooling on top of the water, and 10 grams of lavender essential oil, adding a touch of luxury to your bath. Adding a little bit of salt to help wipe out my little pitcher. You can customize to personal preference by replacing the carrier oil and salts used, or adjust the amounts by scaling up and down. Please leave a comment with your favorite scent. I'll clean off my stir stick and remove it from the bowl. I enjoy creating bath products for my family and friends. What started out as a hobby has become an online business. I am now creating videos to share my experience. Not just the formula, but everything from creating a website to completing a cosmetic notification form with Health Canada. This process takes time. I would like to assist if I can. I cover the bowl to stop the salt from jumping everywhere and let the salts and oils mix for 3 to 4 minutes. Visit my website if you would like to purchase any products or formulas. While this mixes, I'll go get a large Ziploc freezer bag. I'll create an opening in the Ziploc freezer bag to make it easier to pour the salts in. Now I'm turning off the mixer and removing the bowl covers to remove and clean off the flat beater. This is a simple 500 gram formula that consists of 50% Epsom salt equaling 250 grams, 30% Himalayan pink sea salt equaling 150 grams, 16% coarse sea salt equaling 80 grams, 1% coconut oil equaling 5 grams, 1% polysorbate 80 equaling 5 grams, and 2% lavender essential oil equaling 10 grams. I have links to the ingredients and packaging material used for this formula in the description. I'll use the salt to wipe down the sides of the mixer bowl, making sure everything is thoroughly combined. Making sure to get all the amazing oils and salts from the bowl, I like to give the bowl a little swirl and then pour this mix into a Ziploc bag. Carefully, I remove all the mix from the bowl into the Ziploc bag. If you would like to support me, visit my website, lavishforless.ca. I will go get my drying container. I enclose the bag inside a clean and sanitized container with a separate small container full of rice. I gently toss the salts in the bag twice a day to help them dry up for 3 to 4 days before packaging. I will prepare Blueberry Fizzing Fairy Bath Dust in my next video. Join me again for more simple fun to make formulas. Please like and subscribe to my channel.